Continuing our series on UPSC Prelims PYQ discussion, let's discuss this question that was asked in UPSC Prelims 2022. Which of the following situations best reflect indirect transfers often talked about in media recently with reference to India? An Indian company investing in a foreign enterprise and paying taxes to the foreign country on the profits arising out of its investment. A foreign company investing in India paying taxes to the country of its base on the profits arising out of its investment. An Indian company purchasing tangible assets in a foreign country and sells such assets after their value increases and transfers the proceeds to India. A foreign company transfers shares and such shares derive their substantial value from assets located in India. Now, this term, the indirect transfers in the Indian taxation, gained prominence due to the Vodafone case, where the foreign company acquired shares of another foreign company, but those shares indirectly held substantial assets in India. When a foreign company sells or transfers shares of another foreign entity and those shares derive substantial value from assets situated in India, then India claims the right to tax and capital gains from such transaction. This concept was later codified into the Indian Income Tax Act through Section 9(1) after the Vodafone controversy. So coming back to the question, the correct answer here will be option D. A foreign company is transferring shares and such shares derive their substantial value from assets located in India.